Hello my friends. It is May 18th, Tuesday, and it's 2021. Yesterday it was about 20 degrees and the sun was out and I was sweating. And today it was raining all day. I went in the house to start making dinner and stuff. And yeah, lo and behold, the rain turned to snow. It's quite thick everywhere. All the trees are collecting it. It's really heavy and wet. There'll probably be some broken branches tomorrow. But yeah, I'm just down here in the garden because not everything likes getting snowed on in cold temperatures. We're gonna have frost or zero, below zero for the next 2 or 3 days here. So what I've done here, so I have my Swiss chard. I just did this too. It's snowing so much so I got a row of Swiss chard under there. I just cut up some small Amazon boxes, made kind of a tent or a structure over top, just to protect them from the snow and from the frost. So yeah, as you can see, got a row of Swiss chard, and I wasn't supposed to plant it out like that before May long weekend. It's recommended you start with plants inside, starter plants, but I don't have room inside. See, my peas are all covered in snow. But that's alright. Peas are okay for that. But yeah, just a quick look around. Beautiful spring weather in central Alberta. So if you live in central Alberta or northern Alberta, pay attention to that May long weekend everyone talks about, because it is sure tempting to plant stuff out here when it's 20 degrees every day and the sun is shining. It's beautiful. You can't imagine the next day is going to be this. There was thunderstorms last night and hail, and today it just rained all day, a lot of rain, and then it turned to snow. Here my hascaps are blooming. This heavy snow's not good for them. Got all the flowers closed up right now because it's so cold, but beautiful, isn't it, huh? So yeah, I got lettuce and stuff under here, and the snow came so quick and heavy. Take a look under here, if you can see at all. But the snow collapsed. I've taken it all off, but it collapsed my little plastic hokey plastic tunnel here, low tunnel. I have the wrong material for making hoops, and the plastic's too thin. It's just a painter's throw down tarp disposable thing, right, to get paint on and throw it out. But it works until you get a few inches of snow on it, and it collapsed it. So I just threw this tarp on top to stop a lot of the snow. I'll do something better in the morning. But yeah, everything else should be fine. Carrots and the corn I just planted. Anything else that might be out here is alright. But the Swiss chard and my lettuces need to be protected. As my corn bed I just planted out a few days ago, 3 days ago. It was 20 degrees. So my carrots, I can't see them, they're all collected with snow on them, but they should be alright. They can handle that, is what it says on all the online resources. So yeah, one last look. There's beautiful spring in Alberta. Well, hope you're all doing well wherever you are, whenever you watch this. Peace.